Y'all, welcome to another episode of the Big Kahuna. Right here, I took this entry with my boy Obsidian SMC. Sorry. Um, I was eating, but now, man, he called out this entry. He called out this play. So I'm like, all right, cool. I'm gonna take it. As you can see, it hit my breakout area here. I'm just waiting for it to move up to this last higher low to break that, to move my stop loss to break even. But I wanted to, it's going to come back down to my breakout zone to continue going up like it's doing now. There's a retracement, but I'm waiting for it to break this and retrace to continue up. I am going for these highs up here, but that's about it. But yeah, thanks to Obsidian SMC, man, for this call out. He a real G. Yes, sir. But this was a trade that I was in last night. I got out somewhere here. It did come down to here. I was hoping for it to come down into my 1 hour range, but it didn't. I'm not tripping. But news just happened. Donald Trump just spoke. Is he still speaking? Oh, he just spoke and that was it.
I think he just spoke.
Okay, cool. Well, Donald Trump just spoke. Caused us to go extremely bullish after that. So I want to see us retest with the breakout area to continue pushing up. If it doesn't do it, then we're good. So I ain't tripping. But heck yeah, how y'all doing on this Thursday morning, May 8th? Let's go. Alright, y'all, we bullish. Super bullish. As you can see, it came down without analyzing this. Yeah, this was the reaccumulation area that it came into that Obsidian SMC spotted out. So if you're watching Obsidian SMC, good trade, bro. Good call out, dog. Good call out, bro. This was lovely. Y'all go follow him on his channel, Obsidian SMC, where he teaches the same thing. Nice, he has nice, clean setups. So, alright, there's a retest here of the breakout area that I wanted to see. It's coming down into that area to continue its uptrend. Let's go. Let me remove this line. I know my chart looks confusing. As you can see, it came into that fair value gap here, and it's reacting off of it. We'll see. We do have money sitting down here also. I am not moving my stop loss to break even yet. I want to see it break above here and then retest to continue to push up. Once I see that, then I'll move my stop loss to break even. Alright, there's an order block here. Money there. Another fair value gap here. Imbalance. All that. So So yeah, I'm gonna hold this trade. See what it does. Alright, I was expecting some type of reaction here. No, it's already doing it. Right here. There we go. Got that reaction I wanted to see. Bam. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. Alright, I'll be back if anything interesting happens. Let's go, y'all. Yes, here we go. Alright, so now it looks like we have a new breakout area. This little higher low that it created. That's the new breakout area. And once it gets there, if it breaks there, I'll probably move my stop loss to break even, to be honest with you. Alright, I'll be back if anything interesting happens. I'm not worried about this. Alright, we're back. Well, I'm back. Alright, we're at break even. We're back at entry level. Should start pushing up from here. Let's see it. IFVG, inverted fair value gap here. Yeah, it's actually all up in right now. So, I feel like it can continue still pushing up. So. Alright, we're back up 12 ticks. Not bad. Alright, y'all. catch you guys in the next few minutes. Alright, y'all. That's what I like to see. Here's my indication for buy. He just needs to break so we can have a change of character to continue pushing it. Bam, there we go. So yes, I will be holding this trade all day. All day. Now I'm moving. Here's my areas. A little more so you can see. Bam, there we go, y'all. There we go. Wham, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Alright. I'll be back with more updates. Once it breaks my move out area to move my stop loss, I'll get back on. Alright. See y'all soon.
Hey, what are you,
Alright, y'all. As y'all can see, it's playing out lovely. We just needed to hit the breakout and to continue pushing up. Once it hits here, I'll move my stop loss to break even, and it'll be a worry-free trade. I'm not really worried. Alright then, I'll come back when, like I said, it gets up to here, or it retests the breakout. Alright then, see you guys soon. Alright y'all, I'm back. As you can see, it's getting closer to breakout area. Alrighties. So what I want to see is a break and retest and the continuation to the top side. So we're basically continuing this upward trend from last night. So that's all this is. Continuation to the top side. Boom. There we go. There we go, yo. There we go, yo. So what's the deal, yo? Bam. Oh. As y'all can see, I'm swing trading this. So I'm swinging. I'm swinging with gold. I am swinging. For those of y'all that are just tuning in, I'm your host, the Big Kahuna, and welcome to the Big Kahuna channel. Welcome to this is live. There we go, yo. That's fine. No, we got too much Brian pressure, to be honest. So alright, we're up 100 ticks. Let's go. So I'm gonna swing this trade for the rest of the day. So we don't see. I have 4 contracts. We're up this much. Yeah, I lost a little bit. Not gonna lie. So I'm up this much in profits. Being transparent, you know. Earlier this morning I made 500 on it. Gave it all back to the market like a dip earlier today. Nice break and retest, y'all.
Oh no, this thing gonna hit GP.
Alright, y'all, as you can see, I'm just playing around an entry now. I'll keep you guys posted. If it takes me out, it takes me out. I'm alright with the loss. If it doesn't, I just need to push up. That's it. You know. Alright then. I'll be back when anything interesting happens.
Oh.
Alright, y'all. Took me out. Oh, well. Good shit. Alright, we live to trade another day. See you guys next week. Laters.